Well, gee, don't jump out on me like that. Come on. I know you're so glad to see me on your day off. But today, even though we have day off, we're still going to learn, but we're going to do it in our beanies and our long sleeve shirts with our coffee, okay? So, today we're talking about target markets. So, what are target markets? They are the group of consumers that a business, and in this case, a political candidate, because we're looking at political ads, has decided to aim its ads at. So, basically, what it is, a target market is the group of people that a advertisement is trying to sell their product to, and in this case, sell themselves to. They're trying to get votes. So they can do that according to demographics. They can choose a group of people based on gender, age, income, stuff like that. They can do it on psychographics, pick a group of people that have similar attitudes and values as themselves. They can do it on behavioral attributes, like a group of people's degree of loyalty. They can choose a group of people based on their address and location, and they can also choose a group of people who have the same attitudes, characteristics, and motivations as the candidate themselves. So in this video, the next part is a song recorded by yours truly, written and recorded. I'll be signing autographs when we meet next time. But the song goes through the 3 steps in just determining a target market. Throughout the video, there's also some political ads that you can look at, and then the last part is the 3 steps reiterated again. Then after the song, I chose one political ad that I went through in detail with you about how to choose the target market. So sit back, relax, watch this video, continue with the PowerPoint after this, and then after you're done with the PowerPoint, go to the assessment tab, take the assessment, and then you are good to go. There's only a few steps in defining the target market. Just take a seat, get a pen, and then you'll know them. The first step is asking yourself, who was this ad made for? Your mom, your dad, or you? Step 2, decide which group of people. Some ads are geared towards a certain kind of individual. Some are based on demographics, your age or gender, or what your occupation is. Step 3, support your answer with good evidence. There's never a single answer, only ones with good relevance. There's only 3 steps in defining the target market. First, you ask yourself who, then second, which group. Lastly, support your answer with good evidence, then you'll be sure to get a good grade on the assessment. There's only 3 steps in defining the target market. First, you ask yourself who, then second, which group. Lastly, support your answer with good evidence. You'll be sure to get a good grade on the assessment. You get a good grade on the assessment. Okay, hi guys. So we are going to look at a pro-Obamacare ad about that has these 2 girls, and it says got insurance, uniform coverage, their teammates on the field, and besties off of it. That girl power means that they never play it safe. Bloodied noses and skinned knees are the norm. High medical bills aren't, because we got insurance. Now you can too. Thanks Obamacare. #GotInsurance. DoYouGotInsurance.com. And then it says in the left hand corner, Sarah and Maya, blood sisters. So the first question that we ask, step 1, is who? Who is this trying to target? Who is this aimed at? And there are a few options that you have here. You could say that it's aimed at middle school girls who play soccer because they're pictured, or you could say that it's aimed at people who have insurance or that need insurance when it says got insurance or trying to figure that out. You could say it's aimed at parents. You could say that it's aimed at older generations or people that don't have insurance and they're looking towards it. So then step 2, we're saying which specific group. So, we're saying that it's at middle school girls. Are we saying that it's at middle school girls who play soccer because they're pictured? Are we saying that it's, we said that it could be towards parents? Is it parents that have insurance that don't have insurance? So the step 2 of defining a target market is, step 1 is deciding who this could be aimed at, and then step 2 is deciding specifically which group. Are they just males? Are they females? Are they people that have insurance? Or are they not? Stuff like that. Just digging a little bit deeper than you did in the first step. Then the third step is support. So just quickly, I would say, if I were going to analyze this ad, I would say that the eye catcher would be these 2 middle school girls. So what that would do is targeting, it could target girls who play sports, it could target anybody who plays sports, people that like soccer, people who get injured a lot, and then with that, these middle school girls could see this and they could ask their parents, do we have insurance? What kind of insurance do we have? And then that could stem a whole different conversation that the ads were supposed to have. And also, one thing to remember too is that with this rationale, there is no right or wrong answer as long as you support your answer. So if I were answering this to say what the target market is, I would say either middle school girls because it would catch their eye, soccer players, athletes, and then they would talk to the parents, or I would say it's parents who have players or athletic children who play sports and they have to worry about sports-related injuries a lot. And then you could also argue that it's for anybody who has insurance or needs insurance, because that's what Obamacare is looking towards, is national health care. So after this quick little thing, you can realize that there are so many answers that you can have when analyzing target markets and political ads, but as long as you have support, there is no right or wrong answer. Okay, thanks guys.